Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very basic makeup look with a hot pink tint in the eyes. But before that, today's video is all about the base makeup. So let's start. Here I'm already done with the first step, that is moisturizing my face. So let's move to the next step. Well, here I will use a base primer that is from Nykaa Prep Me primer I'm using. I have taken a small pea size amount and I will dab it on my face. I will spread it all over, but do not rub your face with that. Just use a very light touch of your fingers so that it settles down and creates a very smooth canvas on your face to work with. So the next step is the concealer. Here I'm using the orange concealer from L'Oreal Pro, and I will try to cover up all the dark circles, and after applying it with the applicator I will apply my fingers and will spread it off and blend it well with the fingers. Now to cover up the color corrected dark circles, I will just put Nyx HD Concealer. I don't remember the shade, but I'll surely give it in the description box. I will just use small amount onto the areas, and I will just use a damped beauty blender to blend it off on my eyes and the dark circles as well. As I think my eyelids are a little dark, I will just use that, and you can see how good is the blending. Next I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I'm taking a very small amount, you can see, and I will spread it all over my face. I am not using a lot of foundation because this is just the first step. I will just spread it just with the help of my fingers. I will dab it all over, and thereafter I will use the same damped beauty blender. If you have beauty blender with you, that is fine. If you do not have, you can just use your fingers. They are the best tool you can ever use. You can even use a small amount on your neck. Just make sure you are choosing a correct foundation that exactly matches your skin tone. Now for setting the makeup, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. This is a tinted powder, and for spreading that I am using such kind of rounded sponge, and a small amount is needed for this. I will apply it just under my eyes where I have put concealer. It is kind of 2 coats there only. We are not gonna touch it again. So a small amount for the areas of our lips and all the areas where we have concealed. Now only this much is fine if you want to make a on the go look, and you can go as it is. My final makeup turns out to be this. Well, just to make the video short, I am just cutting a whole big makeup look into 3 parts. Like this eye makeup is going to be my next video. Just keep watching my channel so that you can achieve this beautiful makeup look with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.